Welcome back everybody to another video. So in today's video we're gonna be showing you guys how to replace a carburetor on a Farmall Cub. In this case, this is my neighbor's tractor. We brought it just a couple of weeks ago from my neighbor's shop, and it didn't run because the carburetor was obviously dirty, so he just had to go ahead and order a new carburetor for it. But yeah, we're gonna be installing it today, so let's get straight to it. All right, so the steps to actually take off the old carburetor is, first thing, you have to take off these two bolts over here. I believe these are 11mm bolts. So yeah, you're gonna take off both of these. The next thing is you're gonna loosen up this fuel line right here, and then you gotta loosen up this hose, this air filter hose, and then the rods to the choke and the throttle are way back here. Here, you guys can see them back there. They just have some cotter pins on them, so you're gonna take off that cotter pin, pull them out, and then the whole carburetor should just slide out. All right, but one thing that I do remember from a long time ago was that the fuel shutoff doesn't work. Hopefully you guys can see it up there. Focus up there. There's like a little bowl up there. That's actually the fuel filter, and then that's the shutoff right there too, but it doesn't work. It broke. So what I'm gonna have to do here is, on the newer carburetor, since it's a universal carburetor for a lot of different tractors, you can switch around the fuel port. So on the new one, the fuel port's on this side, so I'm pretty much gonna have to do it beforehand. That way, as soon as I can take off this one, it's gonna start leaking gas, so I'm just gonna have to connect the fuel line on right away. If you guys were wondering, this is fresh gas, so yeah. All right, so now that I got the new carburetor all ready, I can take off those little cotter pins onto the choke and the throttle, and then take out these little pins, and then take out the old carburetor, put the new one on, and we should be good to go. Alrighty, so we just finished putting everything back together, and now it's the time for the moment of truth. Is it gonna start? All right, let's go hop on real quick. Hopefully it'll start. It's raining outside right now, so everything's all wet. All right, there's the choke off. And turn on the ignition. And it's running, you guys. That's a really good sign because the choke is off. Alrighty, so it runs without the choke now, which is really good. That old carburetor, I'm gonna open it up, inspect it, see what was the problem with it. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.